Watch this. I uploaded this dance video and in under 3 minutes, QuickMagic AI turned it into this fully animated 3D character with natural movement, accurate hand gestures, and even facial expressions. No keyframes, no hours of work, just pure AI-powered motion capture. That's the power of AI motion capture, and it's changing everything about animation workflows. Traditional keyframe animation means moving every single limb and body part individually, tweaking timing curves, and spending hours to get just seconds of natural movement. With QuickMagic's Video 2 mocap technology, the process is smoother, faster, and honestly, way more fun. Today I'm walking you through exactly how to use QuickMagic, showing you real examples I've created, and explaining why this is the best AI mocap tool I've tested. Let's dive in. QuickMagic is an AI-powered motion capture solution that converts regular videos into 3D animation data. Instead of manually keyframing every movement, you simply upload a video of someone performing the action, and the AI tracks the movement and applies it to your 3D character. Here's what sets QuickMagic apart from every other AI mocap tool I've tested. It handles hand and facial animation automatically. Most AI mocap tools focus only on body tracking and completely ignore hands and faces. QuickMagic captures finger movements, hand gestures, facial expressions, and mouth movements simultaneously with body tracking. This is honestly the only program I've seen that does both this effectively. Traditional motion capture requires specialized studios with multiple cameras, motion capture suits covered in markers, and technical expertise to process the data. We're talking tens of thousands of dollars in equipment and significant technical knowledge. QuickMagic eliminates all of that. You just need a video of someone moving. The AI algorithms analyze the video footage frame by frame, identifying body joints, tracking movement patterns, and generating smooth keyframe animations automatically. The technology uses computer vision and pose estimation to understand human movement and translate it into 3D animation data that works with any rigged character. Let me walk you through the setup process from start to finish. First, head to QuickMagic's website. I've included a special link in the description below that gives you 60 free credits when you sign up, which is 10 more than the standard sign-up. After logging in, QuickMagic brings you to the homepage where you'll see some example animations showcasing what the tool can do. These examples are worth checking out because they demonstrate the quality and variety of animations possible. Now let's create your first mocap animation together. Click on AI Mocap in the left sidebar. This brings you to the main creation interface where the magic happens. You'll see an upload button prominently displayed. Click it and select the video you want to convert to animation. For this demonstration, I'm using a dance video from YouTube. You can use videos from YouTube, your own phone recordings, webcam footage, basically any video showing clear human movement. QuickMagic represents the most practical and effective AI mocap solution currently available. The combination of accurate body tracking, functional hand animation, and working facial animation in one tool is unique in the market. Head to the description, use my link to get those bonus credits, and try QuickMagic yourself. Upload a test video, experiment with the tracking options, and see the quality firsthand. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.